simply unreal.
The Lake of Wisdom.
Oh, don't swallow it.
Diet Coke? More like Diet Ketamine. This stuff got me hopped up. I'll fight a tree frog.
I can say that now.
That water
Juice,
is no joke. I can literally taste
46 milligrams of caffeine,
circulating through my
Guys,
body now.
Nobody's here. I mean, nobody's used this place in
46
years.
Diet Pepsi.
Spit it back.
Swallow it. Get out. Let's go. Come on. Oh, wow. It's him.
That's it, I'm out of here.
You won't get to
Drink.
any of this anymore.
Oh, man.
Stupid decoration. Spit it back.
Did you just come here to look at,
Devil juice.
or did you have something to
Drink.
I think he saw us.
Drink.
Oh, you think so?
behold, gaze upon?
Hey,
Pete.
That sounds dumb.